Hello, my name is Victoria, and in this video I will make this beautiful charcoal soap. I think this soap would make a great gift for any holiday or any occasion, but especially I think it would be nice during the cold season because it's reminiscent with a fireplace. The soap is scented with this beautiful fragrance from Make Your Own Buzz, and the name of the fragrance is Sage and Sandalwood. And on their website, it says the soft fragrance oil contains lots of fresh natural scents. Sandalwood, sage, bergamot, and lavender all blend nicely together to create a scent you can almost feel the fuzzy leaves of sage. I measure my coconut and shea butter and melted them in the microwave. Now I will add my castor oil, canola, and olive oil. The recipe I provided is for half mold. If you would like to do a full mold, it would be 1100 grams. Also, you can play with the ratio of the oils, and if you want, you can decrease coconut oil and increase your soft oils. I would not touch castor oil though, but the percentage I provided, in my opinion, is just enough. Castor oil gives almost lotion-like feeling to the soap. As my black colorant, I'm using bamboo charcoal. I also will use neons. I love neons. And for my red colorant, I'm going to use mica. Just a quick tip. When you are planning on doing some sort of intricate swirls, rule number one, do not use blender extensively. Take your butter only to like emulsion, maybe first stage of tracing. And second rule is use fragrance that moves slowly. I have tried this fragrance, and usually when I test my fragrance, I put on my bottle how it behaves in the soap. So you saw when I was demonstrating the fragrance, it says no acceleration. Well, charcoal usually blends wonderfully without leaving any like big particles, but it takes a lot of oil. Neons, in my opinion, you have to smear really good, otherwise it will leave like small pieces inside of your soap, and when you cut your soap you are going to smear this tiny pieces, and it's not gonna look really good. That's why I mix and mix and mix my neons usually when I'm preparing it for the incorporating it in the butter. I love this mini blender, mini mixer. It's really helpful when you need to incorporate something in a small amount of butter. And unfortunately, mine got broke, and I could find only one seller on Amazon who is still selling the same type of blender. As you can see, my butter has already reached like almost second stage of tracing, so it's not liquid, it's not thick, it's just good enough for swirling. And as I pour my like different colors, you can see they sit on the top of each other. Also, I think it's not essential in which order you are pouring your butter, so you can do instead of orange, yellow, red, like any other combo. If you think this video was useful, please subscribe.